It's a certified 2018 Chevrolet Equinox. Stylish, energized, and ready to take off. This is a multitasker that doesn't compromise. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: external memory control, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, automatic transmission, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.